Okay, now let's say that I have just installed the NM and the client on my machine, on my laptop, and I need to bring in the nodes that I've just recently added to my network prior to installing this software. I need to pull those nodes into the network management server. And so what we're going to do here is create our subnet that represents that group of nodes, and then we are going to bring our nodes into our network. Now, I happen to know that the IP range of my network and my nodes are the 10.19.41 something. And so what I'll do is make certain that the tab Networks is selected. I'll go to Network, I'll right click, and notice that as soon as I hit that, everything changed over here, and that's fine. Our editor pane is going to respond to everything over here in the tree view. So I'll right click, I hit New Subnetwork. Once I do that, I'll get a screen called the Subnet Editor. I'll give my subnetwork a name. I'm going to call mine Demonstration Network. Now this is my Discover, and this is my Add a Single or Individual node. Now the ideal circumstances under which I would use either two of these is that this first one I would use if I have a brand new install and I've got several nodes out there that simply need to be discovered. And I'll get this because it'll save me some time and some headache. If I have a network that's already exists and already recognized in my subnet, in my NMS, and I add a brand new node into the picture, then I would select this guy in order to add him into the already standing picture of my network. And so then right away, I will click here, and I look for my range. Now, I could run with SNMP version 2's communities, but right now what I'm going to do is build this from my IP range. So I happen to know my nodes are going to be from 10.19.41.1, and I'm going to scan the entire subnet. And I just happen to know that that IP ends at about 254. I'll do my scan. It pulls in all the nodes and numbers that it can find. I seem to be missing a node, and that's fine, because what I will do later is do some correction and get my node back. So I've got two nodes here, so I've hit OK, and I've got these two nodes here. Now once again, just like when I delete it, this is a preliminary screen, and so from this preliminary screen I'll hit OK. What it's now doing is getting the additional MIB and OID information from the two nodes that it showed on the screen. Once that information is complete, I will have my nodes populating my brand new subnet. Here are my two nodes.